Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to buy any cryptocurrency on MoonPay application. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography. To buy any kind of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Tether or Shiba Inu, first open your MoonPay application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your MoonPay account. Then here you'll be taken to the home page. Now scroll down, then here you can see popular tokens. You can purchase any of the currency as you want. If you are not able to find in popular tokens, then scroll upwards and tap on buy at the left side. Then here you can see the buying page. Now tap on Ethereum and select a currency, or you can search on the search bar. I am searching for Tether. Then tap on Tether. After selecting the currency, now here you can enter the amount by tapping on the given amounts, or you can manually enter the amount that you want to purchase. Then tap on continue at the downside. Now here you need to enter your Ethereum address. You can enter your wallet address in the given box at the top, or you can choose your MoonPay wallet address downside of your account. Use the address which supports Ethereum and make sure it is correct to avoid losing your USDT. With that, tap on continue at the downside. Then you'll be guided to your web browser available on your mobile phone. Now here you need to select your payment method. As you can see here, there are two payment methods available. One is bank card and another is bank transfer. I am choosing bank card. Now here you need to enter your card details. First you need to enter your card number on the given box. After entering your card number, enter your expiry date on the given box. Then enter your CVC. With that, enter your card billing address. If you have already entered your card billing address, you can tap on update so that you can change your billing address. After entering all your information, tap on continue at the downside. With that, you'll be able to buy the cryptocurrency. This is how we can buy any cryptocurrency in MoonPay application. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.